Hi guys, welcome back to Money Grows TV. Do you always feel broke kahit may sweldo ka? You're not alone. Maraming tao ang hindi napapansin, pero they're actually living beyond their means. Today, I'll share with you 5 clear signs na baka overspending ka na, and more importantly, simple fixes na pwede mong gawin starting today. If you spot at least 2 or more of these signs sa sarili mo, this video is definitely for you. Let's dive in. Sign number 1, you rely on credit cards for daily expenses. Kung ang credit card mo ang ginagamit mo pambayad ng groceries, kuryente, at pamasahe, that's a red flag. Bakit? Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi sapat ang income mo para sa mga basic needs. At ang masama pa, kapag hindi mo agad nabayaran, lalaki ang interest. Fix, gumamit ng debit or cash for daily essentials. Reserve your credit card for emergencies or planned big purchases na kaya mong bayaran agad. Subukan mo rin mag-track ng daily expenses para makita saan talaga napupunta ang pera. Sign number 2, you have no savings or emergency fund. Kapag wala kang ipon kahit piso, ibig sabihin ubos lagi ang sweldo mo. At kapag may dumating na emergency, gaya ng hospital bill, sira ng appliances, o sudden expense, mapipilitan ka ulit umutang. Fix, start small. Kahit 50 pesos per day, itabi mo. Hindi kailangang malaki agad. Ang mahalaga is consistent. Target at least 3 hanggang 6 months worth of expenses as your emergency fund. Sign number 3, lifestyle inflation. Kapag tumaas ang sahod mo, tumaas din ang gastos mo, new phone, mas bonggang kainan, mas mahal na damit. Yan ang tinatawag na lifestyle inflation. The problem is, kung palaging ganito, kahit magkano pa ang sweldo mo, feeling mo kulang pa rin. Fixed, every time na may salary increase ka, iset aside a fixed porsyento para sa savings or investments. Example, kung nag-increase ka ng 5,000 piso, itabi mo muna at least 2,500 piso bago ka mag-upgrade ng lifestyle. Sign number 4, you struggle to pay bills on time. Kung palaging huli ang bayad mo sa kuryente, tubig, o credit card bills, malaking sign yan na hindi sapat ang cash flow mo o hindi ka marunong mag-budget. Fix, gumawa ng monthly budget calendar. Ilista ang due dates. Pwede mo ring i-automate payments para hindi ka malate. Mas mabuti pa, gamitin ang 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Sign number 5, impulse buying at na-deserve ko to, mindset. Lahat tayo guilty dito minsan. Nakakita ng sale, biglang binili kahit wala sa plano. Mas lalo na kapag deserve ko naman ka. Ang mindset. Pero kung palagi kang ganito, ubos agad ang pera. Fix, apply the 24-hour rule. Kapag may gusto kang bilhin, hintayin muna ng 24 hours bago mag-decide. Usually, mawawala na yung urge. At kung gusto mo pa rin after 24 hours at kaya ng budget, then go. So ayan, quick recap. 1. Relying on credit cards for daily expenses. 2. No savings or emergency fund. 3. Lifestyle inflation. 4. Struggling to pay bills. 5. Impulse buying at na-deserve ko, mindset. If you noticed at least 2 or more of these signs, don't worry, kaya mo pang baguhin. The key is awareness, dagdag action. Start small, but start now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Grows TV for more money tips every week. Click that bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.